Who else can let their dogs play fight in their front room while they're watching the Texans and the Chiefs game? These guys are going at it. See how much they love each other? Just play fighting. Take it easy on her, Capone. That's Capone and Brownie having fun without the sun. Wow, these guys are great the way they play. They never hurt each other. See, the myth about pit bulls is all wrong. Any dog can be violent if the owner allows it to happen. It's just pit bulls are the strongest dogs on the planet. When they turn violent, they're the most dangerous. Right? Right.